Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Culinary Classics with us. So in today's video, we will be making the trending Dalgona coffee. The ingredients you will be needing are 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of hot water, a cup of milk, and a couple of ice cubes, and obviously a mixing bowl to make the whip. Alright, so let's now make the whip. You will put in your sugar, coffee powder and the warm water into your bowl, and we're gonna whisk it up until it's nice, creamy and fluffy and soft peaks arise once we pull the whisk away. Alright, so let's go to that part right now. Also, don't forget to share and like this video. Alright, so as you can see here, I have an electric hand mixer to make the whip, which will only take about 5 minutes. But if you are using a whisk, beware that it will take 20 minutes. So that's obviously more time consuming. That's why we're using the electric hand mixer. Alright, as you can see here, the whip is basically over. Now let's check if those soft peaks arise. Yes, the peak is beautiful. They are soft, fluffy, beautiful. Alright, it's time to now make the Dalgona coffee. So, as you can see here, we have our cup and we're gonna add our ice cubes to it because Dalgona coffee is best when chilled. So as you can see here, we're now adding in the ice cubes. And the more, the better. Now let's top it off with our whip. And it will just be the cherry on top to this beautiful, beautiful coffee. Alright, so now we're done with making the coffee. It looks absolutely amazing and I cannot even wait to have this. You know what? I think that I'm gonna give the whip a taste right now. It's absolutely amazing. Do try this recipe out at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like, share and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!